Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to record videos using OBS Studio. After downloading, you'll see empty sources here. We need to add audio sources. For desktop audio and video capture, add image sources. Click plus, choose image source. Select display or specific program. I'll choose display. Now select which display to show. First or second. If you have one, it'll show up here. Next, let's add audio. Add desktop audio with audio output capture. Click OK. Now choose your speakers. Click OK. This will record desktop audio. Make sure your mic is picking up sound. Click Properties. Select your microphone. In Settings, set Process Priority to High. You can adjust video resolution too. Go to Output and Recording. Choose where to save your videos. Videos will be saved here. Select Video and Audio Encoder formats. Hit Record to start capturing your content. This has been Weiler. See you later.